Abusua no wase na yensamu akwa babiem emra GH report so na enano ada na mebetena ha eka che ose ye Maame Akosua Serwaaa ene Germany a wo say return no team side checks ni bi ewra mu wo flight ni mu eko leaking information wo abra okofa KLM flight emma che se Maame ejina flight mu se wotimi se Maame na nim nyina ye sebe star obi nyina na abrante video etwa pictures ene ade ede koma team ODO BRONII ene side checks for no emma che se video no ene images in there ebe circulate pa ewo media no so wo abra ye hu se ye Maame ejina che se flight ni mu a na omoko Germany na ebia wo enya bia nhwe hwesa video no.
Give me the mic, turn the volume up and give me the mic. Akasamuno. The system is not real. Get to youth, better watch your ways. The system is not real. Get to youth, better watch your ways. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. Never make another man do. Ever like a thing that you're supposed to do. You better stand tall and fight as a man, like a rebel in the jungle. Do or die, strongest survive, so you better see God. Make I tell you, bad man, see where me come from. Nothing like a blueprint to follow to success. Tina mama near bring ya demo kana meaty. Searching every building, them say we got the new locks. But we never back down, we hustling every day. Every day we hustling regardless. Trust not the government, you can only believe. Your church cannot save you, all you need is love. We grew up from the ghettos, sometimes we do it hard. I mean tell them say, give me the mic. A real ghetto youth, them a dream. Every ghetto youth, you have to dream. Dream big, dream.
Abusua, eti we beka se dient na obi di ni sika etwa ne flight na okwa ne baby na obi so benya time etimi ato ne boase video no etwa ne pictures leaking information edema obi eba ne sei eti ekoba ne sa no na ewo se Maame Akosua Serwaaa take action against KLM ene na obi bi sa se dien ena asie abusua nyabotre na ena your first time and subscribe to the channel no na e follow ye na enkomo ne entim enkuye wo like video no e share link no e comment ed mamia mani beje ho pa me no ka sei obeti wa ababonten e the update on Dani abeto abonten na se no so me say before say be fasa update no check e bomoden ene Dani edi nkomo a Dani kura e assure ne say wo ye safe e wo honom na Maame Akosua Serwaaa ni team legal wives de agrobi kra na omudie yentiesa enkomo no
no pay me say my breaking news Dani say o masoma motos be 3 ama baby oye adwuma no ma behwehwe no ho enti ono onam kwa so ono okofa ne no menti check o de fa Dani no obi ehun say like Dani is safe for the
meantime. Me say apiatu na ne hwena tare no ne hwena tare no
keke Dani wa asie ho why
ODO BRONII team ya soft ya soft am kwase
ya soft
bi mo
kwa no mu jimi
ti sia de yenye soft bi mo
apiatu na
be ba me say na de
Kamala Ogana, Mama
Oni KK for Sunyana.
Makacha Kamala.
The two most ugly people in Ghana.
How most of the police, I don't know police for unquestioned Modi Motos. Mama Motor right. Yes, sir. Mummy only Dani Casa life na Munti.
Anyway. Oh wait, Pachoka Saka so why I'm alive. I want near my banner walk off. I know almost where Johnny. I will see I use why I must some life so where Johnny. Now more the 50 million to it is will be Obenya will be Minim so what could nipa dia? One. Catch you on first can na one casa report to home on way. Yes. Ayana.
Are you ready, sir?
Obeba baby on be invite you bia why ready.
I said, I'm biting now on TikTok and I
Ejo manum.
actually say, and I be made you and
Hi.
It's promo reality, then come for two.
Hi JB. Gebi ameka se onim kwan ya ODO BRONII ni Roman father emia Lumba mene. O man ka se omo de ne ankwhye ba bia ngigi sika nyina amma no.
Na mo ti ka say. Sabio. Body up.
Onya hwe dani wuda unya free baby afri ne ba so life wate wo fa ne ma ne wia ma menya wo enkasa kese wo ba so life why me see enkasa mpeche unya kofa wo niema ne wia because abrabo wo wani so unya kwadwuni be ma eti se de omo ya akwadwofo no anopa wia nwumre no mo si life so no eno no mo dididi no wo de bomode nya memfa wo nkomra wo ba be so life obi antimi nya wo okrom a
Iko me sure mo so mo arrange man mo order na ho no mo arrange man na mo protect no so ba apasia bia
because no mo so me dem so shame dem to mo be cheme me no me kra ni baby amete na me kra me eti dani mami njai wo why me do we say I love you
too.
Bye.
Abusuati we confirm am what say dani na allegedly yes onu na video maame twa maame ni pictures no wono ankasa kra no as on feel bad or say nothing that they can do bibie no metimi aye it was safe pa e ma che say utie nkomo na ye say team side checks for no bona baso bibie na abusua menu ka say obetiwa the update na ba na yenko tie latest update on ye Maame Akosua Serwaa lawyers and KLM NSEMSEM no
bidi ebe free akire di akosi animu bi mfa free animu akire fi se minua be ma bi beti akire no ma oya recordings di ayade abusia amese last 3 days ena ya Maame every Ghana nyame anim ni na menim se obefri Ghana sa wiki mu but the specific day there na I'm not aware of it because the other information encounter 1 or 2 bintina mintimi engage through to the person na Mami I started from Kotoka and on the passport details data personal details ebegu abonten eye obi ewo KLM checking point edis adwuma no na omudis adwuma no enya ne body number flight number nyina na omwo na omne betra TikTok so ena omo track Maame no baby a wadro na omo ka na omo di I have all the evidence on my phone na I wasn't there but minyakofo record here ana kwasi ampani e ve no slim pastor gina mu bi na ade na mu ne sa no bebile mu ne se eyetra ene mbego in details akire mu memo mu de maka akire ma se nyambo ochina on su KLM for. Onya su KLM for. KLM for na be investigation. Me say his royal any Ashanti queen. I make you move be. In a normal sense, no, and okay, but information na mimi nyan we kira say no. Obia wohwe me. Catch his royal say. Sikana wadi abatu obi ti so na. Se enye police fo na man kwan. Se onfa sika nto obi ti so a on withdraw enye. Police headquarters wana mo report guy no aye frɛ no mo withdraw enye na emom no. Let's leave everything to KLM. Yem push for KLM for na omunu omundi yesa ombeja no. Yem push it to KLM na KLM for and deal with the case because data protection and enkofo we invade eno ena his royal maya sa afrana be gina bontin say ofre police because omo akọ report boy de Ghana where she call herself educated on say maka chem say ya wonkofo bi a we educated fools me man ko school me minima de ba ma dwum da ho clean at the ho. Wrong is wrong and right is right. Let's let KLM deal with the case. Senya beya penny bi anwuram. Na ombe take it on. Sikaba adam for na what plane nim. A otwa maame ne picture will plane nim. They will know your seat. KLM will know everything. They have cameras. KLM. They are now what counter on no or check him maame in. They will find the people and deal with them. But going to Ghana police, it's baby SCA, yeah, fence answer. Ayan as everyone mama say, I mean cash, I mean to like to so. Men kasa, but man can want some so Evan kunim die mere. It also me kan wasem. Na bia mo no baby a mo dwen ko no. Edi kwa se ye dwen ko sa side ho. Say no. Team leader bibi e be ye bia e say ye no high profile. Yen go down to Ghana level biam. Never. Yen go down to Ghanaian level biam. Say ye pagam yen high profile because what is going on down there no? And the me who dream she enye me akoso no say evidence online are being tampered with or deleted to prevent people knowing the truth. Baba Chow. Starting from Jiga interview. Lion Felix. Jiga interview with Zion Felix. You remove it on online. It's not on the system. Okay. 2017. 2017-2018 interview with Amiba. Oh, okay. In here, 2017/18 interview with Andy Dusty removed. Abrewana waba bonten ebe interview confirming say East Legon Dino Yatoy removed. Maame na oba bonten be dia dance ya say Maame Akosua Serwaa di sika Emma ne de to dome asase yo gina so sima no omu remove evidence from online. Bamacho se muwa obia owo bibia no anaze wan se screen recorders bi atwebia to baabi a mon ko twento to mu profile so rough na enka ho. Okay, bebe chira mane abusia Daddy Lumba properties. Daddy Lumba estates. Ya won penifo enye se enye Isle gonfo no kwa o hwe ya won penifo bi wo Ghana omu nyina ni wo estate nim. I don't know why. I don't know what is going on. I don't know why o many wo Daddy Lumba ejapade no ho sa. Hwe Megina platform so emze beba life we be fra asantewa se omra bebe kansem no ometie me Maame Akosua Serwaa ye da nyame ase se odewa bedu asundwem utiri nkwa baabi a obi aso obenye efi akokọ akunare Megina ase yabo magina any papa she bebo mabaso pa mebo mabaso ankasa moya de hwe eniema akoso ground so no maame no yedanya meze otu ada otu ye no is alleged sesenka odi one day ka ho a ka yentia sem papa omamma strategy enya ba akunya mienu how to get this woman down by hook or crook. Siega the most popular woman in Ghana now is Maame Akosua Serwaa. They wanted that publicity for Prega, but yan fasa publicity na more Prega. Team Liga for Ajesa Edino Ediama Akosua Serwaa. No you one anybody. And as you can right now, the most dangerous, deadly person in the system on grounds in Ghana right now, Aya Presla Oforiata. E mamu underestimate girl ne da. Hwe. Omu nim se omu yusu girl na. That Lumba estate no. Ebeti abedi girl ne se. Enani abre ankasa. Adwuma na timri gafo ye na. Ama enyama turn to Maame Akosua Serwaa's favor no. O many abre ankasa. O many abre yesu ankasa. Chese me no obetu ade me say Adam me hu from abefa ho no. Min di second kra me hu me nyina ye begye ade. Me come on nine. Omu make attempt. They want to know where obetu any sources every. When them obetu information. Because court to the end say will dear no. Now woman need that so and it's been exposed. Abusia mon share video no na have a lot to say. And I say my yunu anaminyai because ensem ne doso. Mon share video no na mpa WhatsApp screen. Mon make sure say a video ne da FYP. Oh. Chale enye izo. Mi info ne emeka mensa. Info ne meka mensa. Me meka nwasem. E cheze info no abeka mensa. Na bekasa kakra mekwa akwaji apodi bia beso so. Hey! Abusia maame no odi one day eka hu wo Ghana. And oh, thank you very much. And kayen chiasem papa. But they would do that through poisoning. That was the agenda. But Papa she about defense. Margin and swap about defense. But yedi ashamano. Se memmo abusua na mane membo Maame Akosua Serwaa mane membo Papa Shia mane magina mane obi biara oben maame no the next time maame ni best step into Ghana no madame obi biara obeka kire wo say ofi police headquarters oye CID ni oye Buffalo ni oye diebe ni oye aban mu nipa ni biara say yes ombebo Maame Akosua ho ban no mosi munya a trap enye no moamu mpe obi ai moamu mpe obi na muntia wo moka na wo moma me no pan. And that thing is going on, especially Accra, not in Kumasi. Bene maame na kamidu Ghana men nan crying. Kamen nan crying kwa de Kumasi. Kwa de Kumasi amankofo boye ho ban. Abusia at the right time no babu bodin edin wom ya wotibia ebe shokew all problem kasia pan say maame no orders manage no baby yedi afa no keneke e was orders e kwadi maame nizam I was here pe kwan bi na ye de maame ne fa so. What happened? What happened? Kotoka. Sa boy Danino. Tiena omo ye no. Bisa se wan ne fe no Kobi. Misa se edie be ne ba ya. They decided to track this woman. Umisa no. Ebia na Danino. Onimo. Ebia. I stand to be corrected. Ebia na Danina ombegira the life no so. Ana wa omo ya sa ade no. It could be se onim. So when you so dia and then any no KLM will deal with him. Because anumre mene maame ne hu nipa no bia kasa aka cho mo say omma maame ne lawyer entro KLM because dia do dem say maame ne hu ye hu is empanimfo a akwahye opregachi using taxpayers money to plan evil. Nyasem ketwa kotie bia be ka kire mu
Abusua enti ene esiusi akwasi boso sei panyai ene ensem no akwaje kekeleke akwakoye samte kwaje se e wo hono between ye Maame Akosua Serwaa team legal wise ene KLM. Abusua whoever you are obaswa na wache wadwene e comment section wo e de mame edi no e ye Kobi and I wait my friend Kobi finest is